We got duckies. More ducks. What do we got, Nina?
Hey, my big duck is actually pretty heavy.
Oh, look at, they're going right in the water.
Take my picture of the duck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll take your picture. You tell him, Nina.
Look at this, Parker.
Okay, be gentle. Are you guys pretty excited?
Do you guys want to see a peeper?
Yep, we had another one hatch.
No, what do you mean? Look at, it's hatching right now.
I'll see.
Hang on, guys. Look at this one hatching.
Uh-oh.
Hang on.
Here. Your baby duck is hatching.
Is it? Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh, it's actually.
it is hatching. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at, it's coming right out, right now.
Oh my gosh.
The duck is coming out.
It's hatching right now. It's coming out. Watch, it's hatching right now.
Oh my god.
Here it comes.
Oh. I never seen a duck actually come out.
Yep.
Oh, yes. No. Oh,
It's, look at, just give it a couple, like 30 more seconds and it's gonna come out.
Nina, this is gonna be so cool. Oh my.
Thanks, Nia.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Here it comes.
Oh, Jeffer, it's a black duck.
Watch out, guys. Here, I'll get out of the way.
It's another black duck. Oh.
Here it comes.
Oh. I wanna see. He's
Come on, look, here it comes. Look at.
skinny baby. Oh.
There it comes. You're doing it, little buddy. You got it. Welcome to the world.
Mommy, I want to actually call her actually baby.
Baby. That's not a
She
word.
has to stay in there for a little bit so she dries off.
Mom,
You guys, we just watched a duck be born.
Mom, can I call her?
Crazy. That's some good timing right
I
there.
want to call her Hatchley.
Actually.
Because they're actually hatched.
Johnny, you
They're
missed it.
actually out. Oh, your duck is actually walking around. I got you, kitty.
All right, how many ducks do we have now, Parker?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What are we gonna do with all of these?
I
Okay.
don't know.
Come on, Mohawk.
Be gentle.
Come on, you Mohawk. You can go. You can go. You can go. Do the race. Do the race. You can win. You can win. You can win. Yay! He won. He won. He won, Mom. He got to the dog bowl. Uh-oh. Now let me pick my duck. Now let me carry them.
Look at those two. They're like loving that water dish. You guys, they love the water. Oh, here. Jasper.
Mommy, no pepper because Daddy, the duck's gonna go on your head.
No, don't put the ducky on my head.
That can actually look over here.
Hold on. Oh my god. So cute.